Who's responsible for a collision when you're driving in snow and ice? Or maybe the better question is the person who is normally at fault when there's not snow and ice that rear ends me allowed to make excuses? Oh, it was snowy and icy and that's why I rear-ended you, so it's not my fault. That's probably a better question. And the answer is, heck no. You have a duty when you operate your car to see the weather, operate your car at a reduced rate of speed appropriate with the roadway conditions. So if you're driving appropriately, my client comes to me and said, hey, I'm driving appropriately, I'm slowing down to make a turn, and this car slams into the back of me, and they say, I had my brakes on, couldn't stop, I just slid in snow and ice. So, slow down sooner. Anticipate that. You didn't do anything, my client didn't do anything wrong. They put on their signal, they were driving appropriately for the weather conditions, getting ready to make a turn. That car was clearly either going too fast, braked too late, wasn't paying attention. Just like in a normal everyday wreck, it's just that the snow and ice probably made the impact larger, greater, and has a harder impact than it would have been had they gotten the traction and slammed on their brakes on the pavement. So don't let somebody, including the insurance company, get away with the excuse that there's snow and ice on the road and that's an act of God or Mother Nature. That's silly. We have a duty when we drive our car to drive the car at appropriate speed, reduced speed, depending on the roadway conditions. Give us a call if that's happened to you. We'll walk you through that.